If you have ever stood at baggage claim watching the carousel spin a little too long, you know that moment when your stomach drops. You start doing the math in your head. Maybe it is just coming out late. Maybe it is gone. Here is the thing. What airlines call lost luggage is not always lost. A lot of it is stolen, tampered with, or left sitting where it should not be. So today we are getting into 10 simple, proven ways to keep your luggage safe. These are the same strategies frequent flyers swear by, but we will focus on what matters most for senior travelers: comfort, budget, and peace of mind. And yes, we will talk about that sneaky little pen trick that lets thieves open zipper without leaving a trace. It is one of those things that sounds like nonsense until you see how easy it really is. Let us start with what is actually happening behind the scenes. 1. The real reason bags go missing. Most people think missing luggage is just bad luck or a computer glitch. But a lot of the time, it is human hands. Inside jobs. At Tenerife Airport in Spain, police arrested 14 baggage handlers who had been stealing from suitcases for months. And that is just one example. The same kind of thing has happened in the US, Canada, and across Europe. Your bag does not just ride one conveyor belt. It goes through loading zones, sorting rooms, and trucks, handled by dozens of people you will never see. That's why awareness is your first defense. Think of a checked bag like an unlocked car sitting in a busy parking lot. Do not leave anything tempting inside. The less interesting your suitcase looks, the better. Now, if you have never heard of the pen trick, you are about to see why it is worth upgrading your luggage. 2. The pen trick that still works in 2025. It sounds ridiculous. A thief presses the tip of a pen into your suitcase zipper, slides it open, grabs what they want, and zips it right back up. You would never know it happened until you unpack. This works on most zippers, soft shell or hard shell, because the weak spot is not the lock, it is the teeth. If you are buying a new bag, look for anti-puncture zippers. The teeth interlock, so the pen trick does not work. Better yet, go for a zipperless case, with latches instead of pulls. If you are keeping your current suitcase, a simple luggage cover helps too. It will not stop a determined thief, but it adds one more layer they have to deal with. Every bit of resistance helps. Even lazy thieves do not like extra work. Now that your suitcase is tougher, let us talk about when to hand it over. 3. Do not check too early. This one surprises people. The earlier you check your bag, the more time it spends sitting alone behind the scenes. Those storage rooms before boarding are not always secure. Bags pile up 4 hours, and anyone with access can take a quick peek. Try to check your luggage no more than 3 hours before your flight. That way, it moves through the system faster and spends less time unsupervised. It is also easier on you. Less waiting, less standing in line. If mobility is a concern, that is energy you will want to save for later. Now let us talk about what actually goes inside the suitcase. 4. Keep the important stuff with you. Awash. It is tempting to toss everything into one big bag and just be done with it. That some things should never leave your sight. Keep medications, electronics, jewelry, passports, and cash in your carry-on or personal item. Never in checked baggage. Even if your suitcase does not get stolen, it can get inspected. He sometimes opens bags if something looks odd on an X-ray. If they do not close it properly, someone else might notice it is easy to open. Before handing over a bag at the gate, double-check that nothing valuable is inside. It is worth taking a minute to move essentials into your smaller bag. Think of it this way. If your checked bag disappeared for 2 days, could you still manage? Pack with that in mind. Now, let us make sure no one can get in easily. 5. Lock it right and pick the right case. Those little padlocks you buy in a 3-pack are not going to stop anyone. Use TSA-approved locks, the ones with a red diamond logo. Security agents can open them with a master key, so they will not cut them off during checks. If you are ready to invest, switch to a hard-shell suitcase with built-in locks and latches. No zippers means no pen trick. When comparing materials, polycarbonate is your best friend. It is strong but not too heavy. Aluminum is great but pricey and heavier. ABS plastic is cheap but tends to crack. If you use a cane or travel with limited mobility, keep in mind that every extra kilo counts. You want a case that feels solid but manageable. Now that your bag is built like a vault, let us make it look a little less appealing. 6. Make your luggage stand out. Thieves love boring luggage. Black, gray, navy. Easy to blend in, easy to mistake, easy to grab. So make your bag impossible to miss. Add a bright strap, a sticker, a ribbon, or a colorful cover. The louder, the better. Some travelers even use kids' covers, the ones with cartoon animals. A thief looking for valuables is not going to unzip something covered in pink dinosaurs. If you prefer something subtle, use a unique tag or a bright handle grip. Anything that makes you spot your bag from across the room helps. Take a quick photo of it before you check in. If something happens, that picture helps when filing a report. But even with good locks and bright straps, it is smart to have a backup plan. 7. Track your bag yourself. Airlines say they can track your luggage, but the truth is, their systems lag. They will tell you your suitcase is on the way, even when it is sitting in another city. A personal tracker like an Apple AirTag or Tile gives you live updates. You can see exactly where your bag is. One traveler used her AirTag to find her missing suitcase in a staff locker room. The airline insisted it was still in transit. She showed them the map, called the police, and got it back the same day. Hide your tracker well. Slip it under the lining or tape it inside a pocket so it does not get spotted. And if you use an AirTag, you can turn off the sound alert in settings so it will not make noise nearby. For seniors, this is not about tech obsession. It is about reassurance. You will know where your stuff is without waiting on anyone else. Now let us cover what to do before you even leave the house. 8. Take photos before you fly. Before closing your suitcase, take a few photos of the inside and outside. It takes a minute but can save you hours later. Snap one of your packed contents, one of the bag's exterior, and one of the tag with your name and flight info. If you ever need to file a claim or insurance report, you will have proof of what was inside and what it looked like. You can even record a short video as you zip it up. It timestamps your items and condition. Travelers have used that video to prove tampering after a flight. When you land, do not wander away from the carousel. Grab your bag the moment you see it. The longer it spins, the greater the chance someone else grabs it by accident. Before you leave the airport, inspect your bag. Look for slits, missing locks, or open seams. If something feels off, report it immediately. Next, the simplest habit that stops most thefts before they start. 9. Stay close and pay attention. Airports are full of distractions. Coffee, calls, people bumping past. That is exactly when thefts happen. Keep your bag in front of you, never behind, even while sitting at a cafe. Thieves love to unzip from the far side while you are reading or talking. At security, do not send your bins through the X-ray until you are ready to walk through yourself. That is how laptops vanish. If you ever use a walker or mobility scooter, clip your smaller bag to it. A simple carabiner keeps it from sliding off or getting snatched. And on the plane, check the overhead bin once you are seated. Some passengers have discovered their bags swapped mid-flight. It has space. It is rare, but not impossible. Staying alert is not paranoia. It is just being present. That calm awareness keeps you steps ahead of any problem. Now let us end on the one thing that ties all this together. 10. Act light and plan ahead. Every extra bag is another opportunity for something to go wrong. The less you check, the less you lose. If you cannot go carry-on only, split your essentials. Keep at least one outfit, key medications, and personal items in your smaller bag. That way, if your suitcase goes on its own vacation, you are still covered. Packing cubes are a game changer. They keep clothes compressed and organized, so you can travel lighter without feeling like you left half your closet behind. Before any trip, double-check your insurance. Make sure it covers theft, not just lost bags. Many do not. The goal here is not to stress you out, it is to give you control. When you pack light and think ahead, travel feels smoother, safer, and a lot more enjoyable. Recap and wrap. So, let us do a quick recap. Know that missing luggage is not always random. Protect your zippers. Check in at the right time. Keep valuables with you. Use strong locks. Make your bag stand out. Track it. Document it. Stay alert. Pack light. Each small habit adds a layer of protection. Together, they make you the kind of traveler who rarely has a problem and always has a plan. You cannot control what airlines or baggage handlers do, but you can control how ready you are. So next time you fly, remember this video's name: 10 Smart Strategies to Prevent Luggage Loss. Watch out for the pen trick. And Fraffer, ever had a close call at baggage claim? Share it in the comments. Someone else might learn from your story. Safe travels, and may every bag you check be the one that lands with you.